Hello everyone, I'll share with you what I ate in my holiday. I'm not good at English, but I'm sure you'll understand. So let's go. In the morning, I ate muffin and hot soy milk and tomato and cream cheese and cookies. We drove to the town for picking cherries. But before cherry picking, we had a lunch in the forest. Yeah, we went to picnic. Yeah, here it's so beautiful place, so wide, many greens, many people have lunch here. It's June, but like summer, so hot day. So me and my friend have lunch like this. We bought these at market. It's my friend's lunch and this is my lunch. 納豆巻き and お稲荷さん and shrimp bowl and sausage and egg something. Yeah, we use seats and sit down on the ground and eat. This is お稲荷さん. It's sushi, kind of sushi. It's so sweet. And this shrimp bowl is like Chinese taste. Sweet and sour. It's like how can I say? This is 納豆巻き kind of sushi and 海苔巻き 納豆海苔巻き Yeah, do you know 納豆? It's so healthy food. After lunch, we took a nap. So beautiful sky. After taking nap, we ate cookies. And we met him. I live in countryside, so I can meet many insects. And after our lunch, we were going to the town, famous town, cherry picking. So beautiful cherries we got. So beautiful and so sweet and sometimes sour. Many kind of cherries. The cherry garden has many type of cherries. Big one, small one, sour one, sweet one. so ripe. They set the roof for avoiding rain. Cherry garden is so wide, so many cherry trees. We ate a lot of cherries. I was so full and so happy. So in Japan, end of June or July, it's cherry season. We can eat cherry 45 minutes. We can eat. We pay 1,300 yen. Yeah, it's not so expensive. It's reasonable maybe in Japan. And after cherry picking, we are back to our city. So nice sunset. Beautiful, so beautiful. Yeah, we have many forests and good mountains. And we went to soba restaurant for dinner. It was so late, but it's soba restaurant, but I was so hungry. I ordered Katsudon. Katsudon is fried pork with egg and rice, and it's miso soup and pickles. Yeah, so delicious. And after I came home, I ate cherries I bought. We can buy cherries, but it was so expensive. Maybe 3,000 yen one box. Yeah, but so beautiful and so delicious. Yeah, so nice. Nice day. So you can understand. I hope so. Thank you for watching. See you.